Welcome. If you're looking to update your Facebook profile and want to remove a university from your page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to delete a university from your Facebook page using your PC, following the new update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo up there. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile photo, you'll be taken directly to your profile page. Here, you'll notice several tabs beneath your cover photo. Find and click on the one labeled About. This is where all your personal information is stored. On the left-hand side of the About section, you'll see a menu. Click on Work and Education. This will display all the schools, universities, and workplaces you've added to your profile. Now, scroll down until you find the university you want to remove. Next to the university's name, you'll see 3 small dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Delete University. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to remove this university from your profile. If you're certain, click Confirm. And that's it. You've successfully removed a university from your Facebook page. Remember, you can always add new schools or workplaces later if you need to update your profile again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone else who might need a quick Facebook profile update. See you in the next video.